Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to buy crypto on M1 Finance in just a few easy steps. First of all, open the M1 Finance app. Tap to open the app and log in if necessary. After that, once logged in, navigate to the Invest tab. Look for the crypto section or option within the app. Now browse the available cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap on the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Now enter the amount you want to invest in the selected cryptocurrency. Confirm the details and ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account. Then review your purchase details, include any fees. Tap buy or confirm to complete the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully purchased crypto on M1 Finance. Thanks for watching.